In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download InShot on your laptop. First, let's quickly clear something up. InShot is originally designed as a mobile app, mainly for Android and iOS devices. That means you won't usually find a direct desktop version like you would for some other video editors. But you can still use InShot on a laptop by running the mobile version through an Android environment on your computer. I'll walk you through the idea step by step so you understand what you're doing and why. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top, type in a search phrase like, "How to download InShot on laptop." Then press Enter. This will bring up a list of guides, tools, and official resources that explain ways to run InShot on a computer. Look through the search results and focus on reliable sources. These might include well-known tech websites, tutorial platforms, or step-by-step guides that clearly explain the process. Avoid suspicious links, especially ones that offer cracked or unofficial versions of InShot, because they can contain malware or violate the app's terms of use. Most guides will suggest using an Android emulator. An emulator is a safe and common way to run Android apps on a laptop. Once you've identified a trusted guide, follow it carefully to download and install the recommended emulator. After the emulator is installed and opened, it will usually show you a virtual Android home screen. From there, you'll typically open the Google Play Store inside the emulator. Use the search bar there to type InShot and look for the official InShot video editor app. Make sure the app you select matches the official logo and publisher listed in your guide. Then click Install, just as you would on a phone. After installation is complete, you'll see the InShot app icon inside the emulator. Click it to launch InShot. You can now import videos from your laptop into the emulator, edit them with InShot's tools, and export your finished projects back to your computer. If performance feels slow, try closing other programs while you edit, and make sure your laptop meets the emulator's recommended system requirements. That way, InShot will run more smoothly and give you a better editing experience on your laptop.